Hola amigos, today we are going to learn the verb ser in Spanish. The verb ser means to be. Let's see the conjugation. This is the conjugation of verb ser in present tense. In all subject pronouns, yo soy, I am, tú eres, you are, informal. Él, ella, usted, es, he is, she is, you are, formal. Nosotros, nosotras, somos, we are. Vosotros, vosotras, sois, you all are, informal. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, son, they, or you all are formal. Uses of verb ser. First, we use the verb ser when we are describing people or things. Ser is used for both physical descriptions and character descriptions or personality traits. For example, ella es alta, she is tall. Ella es inteligente y amable, she is intelligent and kind. Second, it is also used to describe where someone is from and their nationality. These characteristics are what make up the essence of a person. For example, ella es de China. She is from China. Ella es colombiana. She is Colombian. Third, we use ser to describe a person's occupation. A person's job is also deemed to contribute to their essence, so we also use ser in this case. To ask someone what they do for a living, you can ask ¿De qué trabajas? And you will receive the reply soy plus their job. For example, soy profesora, I'm a professor. Soy abogado, I'm a lawyer. Note that, unlike in English, you do not use the indefinite article un or una when talking about job because it's soy profesora, not soy una profesora. Fourth, we use ser to talk about relationships. Ser is also used to describe relationships between people. For example, él es mi hermano. He is my brother. Gustavo es mi novio. Gustavo is my boyfriend. Fifth, we use ser to talk about possession. When talking about things that belong to you or other people, you should always use ser. For example, the verb ser is used in the following cases. La casa es mía. The house is mine. Es mi libro. It's my book. Estos zapatos son míos. Those shoes are mine. Sixth, we use ser to talk about time. As time is of the essence, it makes sense to use ser when describing it. So don't forget to use ser when talking about the time. The hour. For example, es la una. It's 1 o'clock. And in the day, hoy es jueves. Today is Thursday. And in the dates, hoy es el 21 de julio. Today is July 21st. In the months, mi cumpleaños en el marzo. My birthday is in March. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe and follow Fluent Fast Academy for more Spanish lessons. Thanks for watching.